I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hands low. This fundamental technique offers significant advantages across various athletic endeavors, enhancing both stability and quickness. By keeping your hands positioned lower, typically a few inches below your natural resting point, you can achieve a more balanced and powerful base. This approach is crucial for activities requiring rapid reactions and strong foundational movements, allowing for quicker transitions and improved overall control. Achieving the correct hands-low stance begins with a balanced athletic posture. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and your weight evenly distributed. Your hands should be relaxed and positioned approximately 6 to 8 inches below your chest, with elbows slightly tucked. Maintain a soft grip, whether holding equipment or not, ensuring your core is engaged. This foundational setup provides a stable platform for dynamic action and efficient movement. From your low hand position, focus on fluid, controlled movements. When reacting, initiate action from your legs and hips, allowing your hands to follow naturally. Keep your eyes level and head still, maintaining awareness of your surroundings. For instance, in a defensive stance, a low hand position allows for quicker lateral shifts and a more direct path to intercept. Practice smooth transitions, ensuring your hands remain active and ready to respond to any situation. Many common errors can hinder the effectiveness of a hands-low technique. A frequent mistake is letting your hands drop too far, which can restrict movement and slow reaction time. Another is stiffening your arms, reducing fluidity. To refine your technique, practice drills focusing on quick, short movements, maintaining a consistent hand height, perhaps 4 to 6 inches below your sternum. Regularly check your posture in a mirror to ensure proper alignment and a relaxed, ready stance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.